Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to print in Visual Studio Code. Basically guys, printing command is the most popular command in any kind of language in the world. So there is print, for example, in Python, there is console log in JavaScript, and there is much more in other languages. So how we can use this print command? It is pretty simple. All you need to do first is having Visual Studio Code, which is simply by going to code.visualstudio.com, and from there you can click here to download for Windows or here for Mac OS and Linux. And guys, please make sure that you don't make a confusion between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. They are completely different softwares. So as you can see, they have like completely different logos. So as you can see here, and basically, yeah, that's the logo of Visual Studio Code, and that's for Visual Studio. Now, what you'll have to do is pretty simple. Let's say that you have installed the Visual Studio Code, and now let's choose, for example, a Python language, so we can get it from extensions and then search for Python and install it. After that, let's create a new file. So here we go, new file, Python. So let's create a new file, which is Python. Let's close this, new file, and then from here, Python, which is pretty simple. Now, all I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to click here and click on print command. So print, um, let's do this. Hello, world. And as you can see here, this is the command. So let me check if it's correct. How we can run it and print it. So we just have to click over here. And let me just go to debug console terminal. Let me just click over here and click on run debug, save, and Python file. And here we go. So as you can see, it's working. Hello world, and it has been printed in my terminal as you saw here. So yeah guys, that's how you can print in Visual Studio Code. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.